Hey, dear. I have some exciting news.
What you got?
So I'm surrounded by news cameras right now.
You're on the news.
I'm on the news here. I was just going to tell you that I just won a pretty big award today from the Milken Foundation. So it's an award for educators in the field. And so it comes with a lot of little extra perks. So going out to California in April to become part of a team. We also just got $25,000.
You got $25,000?
Yeah, some pocket change.
Okay, all right. Interesting. Good for you.
Hey, thank you, dear.
Hey, that's awesome.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Are you crying?
I'm not crying right now. I think I cried a little bit earlier. They had a big convocation, and all the students and staff and everybody went down, and I thought we were getting recognized as a school. It turned out everybody was here for me. So it's pretty cool.
That's amazing. Congratulations. You earned it.
Hey, thanks, dear. Okay, well, I can let you get back to your meeting, but I figured that was important news too. So.
Okay, yeah, it is. Well, that's awesome.
Thanks, dear.
So,
hey.
all right, love you.
Love you. Bye.